we start to develop these patterns where the body will start to create antibodies that will destroy self-tissue because of in a sense, it's called molecular mimicry, where because the protein is so similar and it's at a constant threat because this protein keeps getting into the bloodstream, it's attacking anything that looks similar to it. A good example for this would be if you've ever played the game darts, right? You have a dart board, right? And you're trying to throw your darts, okay? And you want to get it as close to the bullseye as possible. And so a good, healthy immune system is really good dart player. It's very good at getting that dart as close to the bullseye as possible so it can take out whatever its target is. An imbalanced or disordered immune system, dysfunctional immune system, is like playing darts with a blindfold on. So now you put a blindfold on, you can't see, you don't know where the wall is, you don't know where the dartboard is, and you're just throwing darts. So now you're hitting the wall, right? You're creating damage in your home trying to play darts, and that's basically what's happening with the immune system. So it is dysfunctional, and it's really just trying to keep us alive. Its aim is survival, but it's damaging our own self-tissue.